Marvin Agustin has crossed over to sports. After proving himself as an actor and entrepreneur, Marvin Agustin is now serious about archery. He's preparing for two big competitions, the SEA Games in Cambodia this year and the Archery World Championships this October.
Yung World Championships kasi doon ka nagkakawa ng ticket para makapasok ka sa Olympics eh. Hindi ka pwede basta ipadala ng bansa mo sa Olympics.
Ay, ka dito, Titoy.
So,
Titoy.
World Championships is
Titoy.
masasabi ko
Titoy.
kasi pinaghahandaan namin.
Ay, halika. Halika.
As February ushers in, Cupid comes out of hiding. Flowers, chocolates, and dances, especially proms, abound. But Cupid just lurking at the corner, ready to strike. Make sure you look your best from head to toe. Nelson Canlas on cue.
Most young ladies in high school dream of prom night, but